Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can fix Instagram story not posted or not uploaded on Instagram. If you want to solve this problem, there are many solutions for that problem. The first solution we are going to discuss is, first of all, you have to clear all your recent programs, which means you have to turn off all the programs from your Instagram so that any app which is using your internet connection can be turned off and Instagram can use internet connection so that your story can be uploaded. If the problems occurs again and that fix has not worked, then there is another fix, which is as you have to restart your Wi-Fi connection or restart your router so that you can again upload your story. Maybe there is an error in your Wi-Fi connection. If this not work, then try to change connection from Wi-Fi to data so that your story can be uploaded. This fix works for many Instagram users. Hope this work for you also. As you can see in the video, this works for me. As I have changed the connection from Wi-Fi to mobile data, my story has been uploaded. But if you got the problem again, then there are also many methods to solve this error. The second one is you have to go to your Android settings and go to apps and search for the Instagram. If you click on Instagram and you click on storage, then you have to unload your app, which means you have to clear cache of your Instagram. After that, you have to go back to your Instagram app and again your Instagram app to check whether the problem has been solved or not. If the problem occurs again and again, then there is also another solution for this, which is as you have to click on profile. After that, you have to click on three lines. After that, you have to click on settings. After settings, you have to click on help. After that, you have to click on report a problem and click on report a problem so that you can report this problem to Instagram so that they can tell you an easy solution for that problem. Moreover, you can also attach the screenshot of your problems, and in this way Instagram team will be able to understand what problems you are facing in this regard. After you have uploaded screenshot and click on submit, that will be submitted to Instagram team. In this way your problem will be solved. Hope you have liked this information. Kindly like this video and subscribe our channel.